mobile phones, new energy vehicles, energy storage systems. In the modern world, batteries with their full power play an important role in life. In the process of battery production, the slurry mixing is the front-end process. The quality of the slurry and the stability of the process is vital on the entire production process. With advanced slurry mixing technology and process, ONGOAL provides customers with one-stop solutions that creates greater value. The cathode material production line in the project adopts high-efficiency slurry mixing system with 1,600-liter high-speed dispersion mixer at the core. By inevitably infiltrating and dispersing, the efficiency is greatly improved.